Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 6. Careless Rabbit. The rabbit ran very fast. The rabbit ran very fast. The turtle was still very far. The turtle was still very far. The rabbit looks back. The rabbit looks back. I cannot see the turtle. I cannot see the turtle. The wind shook the trees. The wind shook the trees. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. The rabbit starts to laugh. The rabbit starts to laugh. This race is very easy. This race is very easy. The rabbit starts walking. The rabbit starts walking. I will take a short rest. I will take a short rest. A big tree becomes visible. A big tree becomes visible. Under the tree felt very cool. Under the tree felt very cool. The rabbit sits down. The rabbit sits down. The wind blows very softly. The wind blows very softly. A bird sits on a branch. A bird sits on a branch. The rabbit looks at the sky. The rabbit looks at the sky. Today feels very nice. Today feels very nice. Leaves fall very slowly. Leaves fall very slowly. The rabbit closes its eyes. The rabbit closes its eyes. I will wake up soon. I will wake up soon. The monkey watches from afar. The monkey watches from afar. The bear watches the road. The bear watches the road. The fox tilts its head. The fox tilts its head. Will he really take a rest? Will he really take a rest? The rabbit gives a big yawn. The rabbit gives a big yawn. The wind moved the grass. The wind moved the grass. The forest was very quiet. The forest was very quiet. The rabbit lies down. The rabbit lies down. I am not even tired. I am not even tired. A short sleep is fine. A short sleep is fine. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The sky shined very blue. The sky shined very blue. The rabbit starts sleeping. The rabbit starts sleeping. Its ears moved a little. Its ears moved a little. The monkey opens its eyes. The monkey opens its eyes. The bear gives a sigh. The bear gives a sigh. The fox stares at the road. The fox stares at the road. The turtle is still walking. The turtle is still walking. The rabbit starts to snore. The rabbit starts to snore. The wind moved the leaves. The wind moved the leaves. Light shines into the forest. Light shines into the forest. The rabbit sleeps very deeply. The rabbit sleeps very deeply. I will surely win. I will surely win. Soft sleep talk can be heard. Soft sleep talk can be heard. The bird quietly flies away. The bird quietly flies away. Some time passes slowly. Some time passes slowly. The turtle keeps moving along the road. The turtle keeps moving along the road. The rabbit is still sleeping. The rabbit is still sleeping. The forest stays very quiet. The forest stays very quiet. The race was still going on. The race was still going on. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.